Okay, hey Travis, how you going?
Hello. Yeah, good.
Good,
Feeling
good.
good.
So we just update here after you've been training now. We started this challenge 4 weeks ago, exactly today. So how do you think it's been going?
Well, now that I'm fully into it, obviously boot camp, once I complete boot camps on Monday and Wednesday, I don't feel at all sore. There's no aches or pains. So obviously the fitness level's coming up and I can generally feel like I'm keeping up. And then the result really is from a weight loss perspective is that I've lost 6.3 kilos. So really halfway to my goal was what we set out. It was the 12 kilos in 12 weeks. So I've lost 6.3 as of today.
So you're halfway to your goal in a third of the time, pretty much.
Yes.
Which we expected. It's going to go a little bit faster in the beginning.
Yeah. So obviously you get rid of the fluids and the easy fat loss per se.
That's right.
And part of that then makes all your clothes fit a lot better, and your belt buckle goes in a couple of notches and everything else. So generally I feel a lot more energised and feeling better for, I suppose, continuing to improve and to get to the 6 kilos.
Yeah, that's good. And your body fat percentage is down about 2% as well. So I mean, we're getting proper loss here. It's not just fluids and muscles. So it's really good. I'm really happy with how you're going so far, and we just got to keep pushing.
Yep.
So what we're going to do this week to keep at it?
Well, as discussed with my diet, mainly I've been focusing mainly on calorie control, just watching what I eat, cut out soft drinks and everything else. I've just got to watch my carbs at lunch, so keep off the sandwiches and the wraps even and the focaccias, and get back to salads, and then keep spiking it every now and again with the carbs. So I'm going to try to have a bit more carbs on Monday and Wednesday after training to just keep that cyclic spike, and then just watch what I eat for breakfast and or fast for the morning until midday.
Awesome. And you don't find the fasting that hard anymore, do you?
No.
It's pretty easy.
Yeah, I mean, depending on what you're doing. Sometimes when I've done a hard Thursday night session at the gym, following one of your programs there, Friday morning, if I don't eat till lunchtime, I feel like I'm pretty hungry that day. Because I find that I work really hard at the gym doing that session for 40 minutes or 45 minutes of the rows and the squats and everything else.
And that's fine. You don't. Doesn't matter if you miss one day of the week. You're still getting benefits.
Yeah.
And in terms of, I've told you now to have your carbs at night. It probably goes against what most people would say. People are scared of carbs at night, but I know that this works. I've tried it on a few people and myself, and so we're going to go with this now and prove the rules wrong. Yeah?
Well, the aim is to do another 6 kilos at least over the next 8 weeks, but preferably in the next 4, like we've done 6 in this 4. So we might have to ramp it up and watch the alcohol intake, but
that's it.
There's a few cheeky beers on Tuesday night, but yeah.
That's good. Awesome work here. You're obviously still enjoying a drink. You're enjoying your food on the weekend. But we've still lost 6.3 kilos in 4 weeks. We're down 2% body fat. You in one hole on the belt? One.
I think there's probably 2 holes on the
belt
now. Yeah,
and you're nearly into your size of pants.
Yep. So we, generally we're about a 92 waist. I've now moved down to 87 waist. So
there you go. So
centimetres, that is.
So everything's
that's another dress size down.
That's it. So it's going the way we want. So good work, and we'll revisit again next week.
Okay.
Thanks, Travis.
Cheers.